Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we will be seeing the topic why we should read Bhagavad Gita. You might have seen that in rainy season, mud roads in the villages are not often used by people, and hence, because of not using it, they become covered with grasses. Similarly, when the authentic scriptures are not studied properly, the pure knowledge becomes covered by speculative and unwanted theories that can misdirect the human society, and they can create a havoc in the society. Bhagavad Gita is a greatly enlightening philosophical song sung by Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to instruct the bewildered Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. The Gita is known for its philosophical depth and practical relevance in day-to-day life. Every concept of Bhagavad Gita is practically relevant for every age group of people. So, if one generation doesn't study Bhagavad Gita and apply and spread this knowledge of scriptures, the latter generations wouldn't have a precedence and inspiration to study or follow them or even become aware of them. So we will see what points are there in Bhagavad Gita that can inspire us to study, how Bhagavad Gita basically help us in day-to-day life. There are 5 truths explained in Bhagavad Gita. These are Ishvara means God, Jiva means living entity, Prakriti means material nature, Kal means time, and Karma means activities. So Ishvara, Jiva, Prakriti, Kal and Karma, these are the 5 topics of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita very systematically presents the knowledge of eternal soul, temporary body, the art of working without reactions. We see in company that many people wants to get higher payments, higher perks without working so much. So how we can get free from the entanglement of karma? What are the 3 modes of influence that influences our regular habits? How to speak to others? How we can increase our visual audio speeches? How we can influence other people? Today in this modern world, we should know how to eat, how to recreate, how to donate. What ways are there of mind control? How can we control our mind? How can we control our senses? Meditation. The art of rendering service to the Supreme God is very in detail explained in Bhagavad Gita. How we can serve God? What are the various powers of God? How can we get rid of our attachment to worldly things? How we can arise detachment in our heart? Hence, Bhagavad Gita is a standard reference manual for all human beings who are seeking to know the truth, who are seeking to refine their intellect, who are seeking to uplift their consciousness. Hence, we should read Bhagavad Gita scrutinizingly to see the above discussed things, to understand it and help ourselves also and help the whole society in large to march on the path of dignity and understand the message of God Krishna. Hare Krishna.